Have you guys got fish up front there?
What's it called?
Oh yeah. It's called a batfish. Those round flat ones. Yeah, they do. As I said, they are born in the mangroves, and then they start to come out to the reefs to breed, and then back up into upstream to give birth again, lay their eggs. We've also got some brassy trevally down there, guys. Now they are a very cool fish, probably one of my favourites. The brassy trevally are a predator. They are very quick. They will travel from 0 to 60 kilometres in 3 seconds. Very, very fast. Very aggressive. And they're the silver ones that kind of look like a bullet. And about midships there's a red bass. You can see he's got a reddish colour. That's another predator. Now that predator, he likes to, generally they do hunt more at night time, but you can find them at any times of the day. Those remoras are still down there. This is pretty cool. Now these are our largest species, folks. And they do know that the boat means food. Now because Green Island is in fact a green zone, we have got written permission by the government to feed these fish. We're allowed to give them 2 cups of pellets every trip, which allows them to still feed naturally. And they want to do, they don't rely on us for food. Because they start to get a little bit comfortable. So we're only allowed to give them 2 pellets, so 1 per side, 2 cups. That's a big red bass, guys. That's a good fish. Okay, now let's get into this fish feed, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do everybody on the left-hand side of the vessel first. Once I've thrown some food out there, we'll let the fish do their thing. I might have to reposition the vessel, then I'll throw more food out the right-hand side. So just be patient. I will throw some food out that side. So just got to let them do their thing.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ
Okay, everybody on the left hand side, stick your heads out to the outside. Out this way. Back to Big Cat now. Now, as we're cruising on back, folks, I will get everybody to stay seated for me. Now, this afternoon at 3:30, we are doing another type of fish feed. So we'll be feeding even bigger fish than that off the back of the big boat. And they are known as GTs, so giant trevally. Now, we feed those guys pilchards. So it's always a good show. Now's the right moon phase for them to get all rolled up. So make sure you're back on the boat at 3:30 to watch that, because it's pretty cool. Now the GTs, they can get large, they grow to up to